This video contains the steps for the installation of Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Windows.
Requisite: before installing Oracle VirtualBox, ensure that Python Core and Win32 API are installed on Windows. Please follow this tutorial, how to install Python and Win32 API on Windows fast. The link to the tutorial is https://www.youtube.com/ as well as y74ex pkrjl. You can also find the link to the tutorial in the description below. Step 1. Download the VirtualBox software 7.1.8 for Windows host from https://www.virtualbox.org/downloader. Step 2. Select packages for Windows hosts. Step 3. Click on Accept and Download. Step 4. The download of VirtualBox 7.1.8 starts. Step 5. Open Downloads folder. Step 6. Execute VirtualBox installer file. Step 7. Click Yes to allow the VirtualBox installer to make changes on your PC. Step 8. Click Next. Step 9. Select the option to accept the license agreement. Step 10. Click Next. Step 11. Select each of the features to be installed in local drive. Step 12. Click on Browse button if you want to change the installation target folder. Step 13. Browse and select the destination folder. Step 14. Click OK. Step 15. Click Next. Step 16. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. Step 17. Click Next. Step 18. Click on Install. Step 19. The installation of VirtualBox 7.1.8 starts. Step 20. Click on Finish. Step 21. Oracle VirtualBox Manager is executed. Step 22. There is a shortcut on Windows menu to execute Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on installing Oracle VirtualBox on Windows. Now you are set to start creating your virtual machines and exploring the possibilities with Oracle VirtualBox. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials. Happy virtualizing!